All right, good morning, day 4. Gonna be a short day for me today. Got some other stuff to do. So I'm just gonna do this, put this this fireplace box on this wall and stand it. Make this pretty. We're in the courtyard area now of the Atlanti home. So I had this framed months ago already, and they went down about 4 feet. And what I did now is I built this built out part here and did this half wall here. So again, built this portion out, built this half wall here, and built this portion out. To be clear, this upper part was done already so that they could soff it. Okay, so that's the Atlanti house. Come with me. Just a little trip there. This is a house that I did after the Atlanti house. This is actually called the Deo home. It was all videoed as well, time lapse, whatever. So what I had to do here, this was easy. I had this portion of the post done. I just had to finish this part so that the guys could do the concrete. So then the concrete got poured, so then I just finished this bottom portion. However, the frustrating part for me was I failed inspection on this house. A couple brain farts. For example, these two studs are point loads. I had to add these two. I had to add this one. Where's my finger? This one, because they are in fact carrying that double and this triple girder. And I don't know why, but I forgot that. Did it on that side of the house, but not this side. I forgot these 2 blocks. Okay. I had to add a couple blocks up there. I'm not going to get into that one. That one was my bad. So there's engineering in these homes. So this is what we call tall walls. I don't know. I'm pretty sure everybody else calls it the same thing. In Alberta, this all has to be engineered. So this is 2x6 LVL studs, full length, from the ceiling down to the floor. 8-inch centers. Not fun. I forgot to put in this block, actually the 3 blocks. I remember to do this one and the one under the landing. So I failed that. Okay. Interestingly enough, we're moving to the master suite here. Another thing that, this wall never went into, oh wait, can you see? This front wall here never went into engineering, and it had to be. So after we got the engineering back, I had to add these rows of blocks. Okay. So that should pass now. And there's something else. I can't remember what it was. Oh yeah. Heading down to the main floor. Okay, now here we are going into the basement. Looking up, I forgot to put hangers here on these joists. So I put these hangers in. I don't know if they need to be hangered, but whatever. I'm not going to get into that. This one I actually hangered. I don't know why I didn't do this one. Let's just say it was 34 to 38 degrees a couple days on this house. That's not an excuse though. That was it. Yeah. Okay. Oh, no, one more thing. I did not even put a header in this wall, because when I built this main floor, I built this wall the same height as all the other walls on the main floor. Turns out the way the roof's laid out, this wall, this whole wall here, became bearing, which meant this had to have a header. And I didn't. And again, that one's on me. Poor. So that's the other stuff that I had to do today. And now it's done. So now I can go back to the Bitti home. Bye for now. And again, thank you for watching.